I knew it would be. Broke down again. But more on that later, another video. What I wanted to talk to you about was the casing and an update for doing the bigger bearings in here. Now it's many thanks to Russell down in Australia who's helped us out to find the part numbers of the bearings. They're easy to find, and what Ashcrofts actually do. And there's more to it than meets the eye. The simple reason is the bearings are big, and when they machine the casing out here, they machine partially through the threads of the existing pump, where the pump, those 3 bolts hold the pump on. This is a bummer because they make a custom pump body slightly larger, and they hold it on with 6 bolts going through the pump and 6 bolts holding the cover. So you've got, when you look at the back, it's got 12 bolts holding it all on. They use the original gears inside the pump, but this is going to throw the cat amongst the pigeons. Like Ashcrofts are okay, they've got their own CNC machines, and you know they can set them things up really easy. We could get JP to sort of knock one up, but it would take him ages to make a pump. So that might throw that project out the window. Now, I'll put a little video together more about that later. I will just sort of give you a little update. Yeah, the bearings are pretty much standard. I can write the numbers down here for you anyway. But the shaft, or the lay shaft, is 15mm diameter, and the new bearing size is 20mm. So they make a little bushing to go in over the shaft. Now that was one of the things that threw me when we were looking at pictures. So there we go. Is it feasible? I don't know. Like Ashcrofts charge £160 to do the conversion if you build it at the same time, but they won't sell the parts, so we're kind of screwed there. Even though we can get the machining done, they don't sell the parts, so buggered, aren't we? Now Russell got his by sending Ashcrofts a used casing, and they machined it out and sent him it down to Australia. It's kind of an expensive way to do it, but if you get it all built up at the same time, when you think about all the machining, the pump and bearings and labour and things like that, maybe £160, well, maybe it's worth it, I don't know. So anyway, that's that. I'm still keeping on with it because I've got a few ideas of my own, but we'll say watch this space. All right, see you in a bit.